We don't sit down a lot and do philosophy, but we did actually sit down and craft a mission statement. And the SuperPlay mission statement was become a billion-dollar games company by consistently creating casual, memorable, evergreen games. We launched Dice Dreams in 2020, and it wasn't an overnight success, but we insisted on its success. And by the time we launched Domino Dreams, we had built the best practices on how to leverage those capabilities and best push it on the Play Store.
So an incredible level of dedication goes into making a game, and we're committed to making it as easy as possible for developers. And in doing so, we want to help them reach their core audiences at Play.
Play connects us with the most daily active users anywhere. Promotional content gives us full control over how and when we reach our players at the larger scale. We also make sure to align these efforts with our marketing calendar, because we know we can offer the most rewarding experience to our players through Google Play Points.
Google Play Points is a program where users can go earn points and get some fantastic perks, both of which lead to some relevant rewards for their everyday life. So for developers, it's an opportunity to directly engage and connect with Play's most valuable gamers. But we amplify this rewarding experience with points multipliers and VIP experiences like Diamond Valley.
We've been able to reach players at scale while also launching audience-specific offers and growing our community of players in Play. Campaigns have tripled our new installs and increased first-time buyers by 39% for Gold tier members and above.
So developers told us they need more data, and we listened. Our goal is to provide metrics that clearly demonstrate the impact and the ROI of their marketing campaigns and promotional activities, including discounts provided to users. So one of the things we provided inside of the Play console is the ability to assess impact before and after these special earn rates happen.
We want to win, and we want to use every edge that we have. So when there's a new capability, we always try it. We A/B test on the store, we use the technical metrics, everything they have.
We had partner feedback. We're going even further. The console now displays the percentage of your buyers enrolled in Play Points, giving you a better understanding of your campaign's potential reach.
Our collaboration with Google Play is amazing. I think it's a very successful one, and we want to continue and invest in it because we know it's a great experience to our players.